So, hi guys! Thank you pala sa mga nag-reach out sa aking YouTube channel, which is marami ang nagtatanong kung paano nga ba kumuha ng mga birth certificate, marriage certificate, or senomar mula sa PSA ng i-deliver na lang sa inyo. So guys, i-share ko sa inyo kung anong ginawa kong process para nung nakuha ko yung aking birth certificate. Pumunta kayo sa Google Chrome. Yan, nandito na tayo sa may Chrome. I-ano nyo lang yung PSA Servilis. PSA Servilis po. PSA Servilis. Yan. I think much better like this. Legit po ito kasi guys, ano na po yung aking kuya nito. Kinuhan ko po siya ng birth certificate niya. Tapos, pag Manila area kasi guys, like maximum na yung 1 week, makukuha mo siya. Pero pag mga province, siguro mayroon talaga siguro 1 week or more than 1 week. So, scroll nyo lang, hanapin mo yung ano nila. Servilis. Ayan, so ito na yun guys. Maganda natin accept all the cookies or something. So, who are authorized to get the civil registry documents? The first one is the owner himself or through a duly authorized representative. Number 2, his or her spouse, parents, direct descendants, guardian or individual legally in charge of him or her if minor. The court or proper public official whenever absolutely necessary in administrative, judicial, or other proceeding to determine the identity of a person. If you are the document owner and you are unable to receive the document, you may authorize the representative to do so on your behalf. Your authorized representative will have a present and submit the following to the courier, including the photocopy ID. You signed authorization letter, special power of attorney, stating that the fact of the requested documents, number of copies, and purpose. So, click natin yung got it. So, ito yun guys. Tingnan nyo. Marami kasing option dito kung ano yung gagawin. Ito, lahat ng certificate from PSA, pwede kayong kumuha dito. Birth certificate, marriage certificate, and death certificate, senomar, and senodeath. Okay, ito yun. Yan yung maalong nyo guys. Ipuntahan nyo lang yung link na to. At dito kayo no need to make an account, just go to their website, PSA Servilis, and if you want to get your birth certificate or marriage certificate, just input here. Click the marriage certificate option. Yan. So, ito na yung please choose your preferred method to receive the PSA certificate at your convenience. Let's say you want to pick up or delivery. So, let's see this one. Click. Ayun, door-to-door delivery, pick up delivery to embassy, government agent. Dahil sa Pinas kayo or saan man, kung ano yung mas prepare nyo, piliin nyo lang to dito. Let's say door-to-door, pick up. I think much better door-to-door. Ayan. Tapos, your PSA certificate will be delivered straight to your address in the Philippines or abroad. So, ito na yun. Request now. Tapos, guys, dito nyo na makikita yung mga rules, kung magkano babayaran nyo, ganun. PSA services accept requests for delivery within the outside of the Philippines also. Local request delivery destination is within the Philippines, 330 for 1 copy. Tama guys, kasi yun ang binayaran ng kuya ko, 330 lang yung binayad niya. Kasi isang copy lang kinuha niya. So it means per copy is 330 for 1 copy. Marriage certificate and death certificate, and 430 for 1 copy certified no marriage record or senomar. So guys, ito pala yung payment nila. Once na-click mo siya yung payment page nila, yan. Mapupunta kayo dito. Kumbaga summarization, kung magkano yung babayaran mo. Let's see, isang copy, 330 lang talaga babayaran mo. Tapos kapag outside naman of the Philippines, mayroon kang babayaran na delivery charge yata yan na 20 USD. Ayan sa dulo. Tapos pag 2 copies guys, 610. 610 door to door, pick up, branch, and saka embassy, government, 600. Sa government agency guys, if 600 lang, if 2 copies ibukunin. But if 3 copies guys, door to door, 890, pick up sa branch, the same lang din, 890, and 890 din ang sa embassy. So ito lang naman. 1 copy senomar for 30 yan lang. Summarization ng kanyang payment. Para aware kayo guys kung magkano babayaran yun. Wala kayong extra babayaran dito yan lang.